of 1063 hectares. In conjunction with the Friends of KF Community Forest Association. They are the ones who are managing it. By the way, it's being managed by Kenya Forest Services. So it was protected and gazetted in that 1932. Yeah. So after, actually it is the largest forest in Kenya. There, after, it is the second largest after Mau Mau forest. So after it is the, so that is it.
Yeah, so tuko Karura and I don't know anything, sijui penye niko, but it's a really cool place. Ini place pako hike, right? Na mpenzi ama ukiwa single? Okay.
By the time to look
at number, I've seen some numbers, but then
2 to 3 hours.
Yeah, so we are trying to follow it up to
actually the waterfall. I'm very clean.
Yeah, I'm highly feeling sounds so much. So I'm still.
She wants a gangster in a bed tonight. She wants me, I know.
That is the waterfall. Wow. So it's so literally beautiful. On your right, like trying to go straight to the other end, there are caves. There are like 2, like, but one is the biggest. So that is the biggest cave that you are seeing over there. It's a little scary, but since ni mchana, so we tried kupitia hiyo njia ya ku head to Butterfly Lakes, but we were scared and literally just gave up. We came back cause kuna some signboards near, they were like don't cross this path and all that. So we decided to omit the mission and we went to Lake Lily. At the cafe on your left, the cafeteria, you can eat over there, and on your right, kuna pitch, like kuna football pitch na tennis pitch na volleyball pitch, like ni place mnaweza
game nice hizi jua by the way. Mtu kufanya ukiwa shule. Now is not the time. My channel itabidingi. You have to come talk to people, ask them questions, they have awkward.
Highly maintained as I had said earlier. By the way, Karura, if you're going to Karura, don't carry any maji.
We've really struggled to find you. Hey guys, we are finally at Lake Lily. Yeah, sure. Lake Lily.
For so long.
Yeah, so there are some lilies over here. I think that's why it's called Lake Lily.
So I think it's called Lake Lily because it has some lilies. Yeah, they green.
I'm right in front of it. So it's not that big, neither is that small. So basically, if you come from Gate A,
for all those hours,
from Gate A, Limuru. From Gate A and you can get into Lily first before you go to waterfall. But if you really want to see the waterfall, the easier route to use is Kiambu Road, guys. So I'm finally over here after a very long search. We have walked for more than 5 hours. I think it's around 4. It's actually 4 from 12 for us to... Guys, I'm finally done with my walk at Karura Forest. It was a nice pleasure. Like getting to see all this beautiful nature, guys. It's so nice. Considering how Nairobi is, this is literally needed. Thank you.